Well, good morning, fellow traders. Today is Thursday, July 25th, 4:57 a.m. here in the Philippines. I'm going to go ahead and get started here. All right, now I'm just going over the yen right now. I'm doing my chart sweep for the morning, and something very interesting is going on with the yen all across the board. And I'm going to show you here. Let's see. As you can see, we are at the very bottom of this daily cloud, which was an upper cloud. This is a barrier, major barrier point here that you have to be careful about because right now this point is very delicate. The reason is because as it's at the edge of this cloud, I've been trading for decades now, multiple decades. And I can tell you from experience, this could go either way. Continue downward or it can bounce around in this cloud a little bit and then go back up, go back weak again. And so what you really want to do if you're in this trade, you're profitable, you want to really tighten up your stops there. Risk management is vital here, very vital. Personally, I've closed my position. I've minimized my position in the yen right now until I can get further confirmation about this trade because I am warning you right now. You could be feeling good, feeling fantastic. You're in the green, making a big profit. It can all go away very quickly because a lot of action happens quickly when you have the candles within the cloud. You got to respect this cloud. You got to respect this barrier because sometimes it can go down just a touch here, a couple of bar, and then boom, right back up. Okay, so that's the RJPY. It's all across the board. We are at a very, very, very important barrier here. Now, here it has crossed the cloud, the daily cloud. And you can see it was right kind of, the cloud was kind of thin here anyway. But this is a better trade, a much better trade than CAD JPY because it's already went 2 days. It's gone past this border. That's safe. That is safe. That's what you call a safer trade. I should say safer because you never know what happens in the market. But as you can see across the cloud, we got that nice downward cloud starting to form now. It didn't even go inside the green cloud. It just went right past this little thin little cloud here, cloud barrier, and boom, right through. It's going straight down. So the CAD JPY is looking much better. So let's see. We're going to try another pair. But you really have to be careful at this point with other trades. Let's look at the Kiwi JPY here. Same thing. Kiwi JPY too has passed the barrier. So this could be a safe trade. Let's see. Things have changed since I had last checked the yen. So it's looking better. Now this one, now with the dollar, you see it, yes, it has passed that daily barrier. Yes, we have the downward cloud starting to form, but this is only one candle. Now the dollar you have to respect because with the dollar swings can be quite huge. So for me, I might wait like with the Canadian dollar. I might wait another day or so. Plus, you have still have this lagging span within this cloud. It has not broken this barrier. Okay, and you have your conversion line and your baseline. They're still above the green cloud. So you have to watch out for these things. So there's a lot of, not a lot, but a few details. We go back to the CAD JPY, and this is the reason why the CAD JPY is a much better trade. You got your lagging span, it's broken the price action, it's broken this cloud, it's through the cloud, it's down, it is down. Okay, you got your conversion line, it's just cracked the baseline of that upper cloud. You got your baseline. I'm sorry, your baseline is right above the cloud, but you got your conversion line that's broke through that cloud already. So this is a far better trade than the rest. We'll go back to the dollar. Like I said, I'm gonna wait until this lagging span gets down a little further, especially with the dollar. price price movements can be huge in a matter of milliseconds. So you have to, wait for a little bit more confirmation. Use that good risk management that you've built up over time. All right, I'm gonna try another pair here. Let's go back to the Kiwi. Kiwi looks good. You got your conversion line and baseline within the cloud. You got your downward cloud forming. This looks like a good trade too. Decent trade. But how the Kiwi moves, it moves slowly and it moves slowly. So, you have to have patience with the Kiwi moves. All right, let's see here. Let's check Euro JPY here. Now, as you can see, the big one, the Euro is another big one. So you got to be careful. And you can see what I'm talking about here. It's right at the base of that cloud. Conversion line and the baseline have not entered the cloud yet. You slightly have a little downward cloud forming, but that lagging span is right above the cloud. So again, this is another one that can just swing right up in a completely different direction. So just be careful. Let's go to the Great British Pound JPY here. This is just on top of the cloud. So this one could actually just bounce and go in a different direction. You have to respect these clouds. The lagging span is broken the price action and it's above the baseline. So uh, this one still needs a little bit more confirmation for me. I would be careful. Use tight risk management or just wait until all these indicators break through this upward cloud. So you don't even have a downward cloud forming. So this could actually kiss the baseline, this the span B on the cloud span, and then go right back up. So this one is very risky. All right, gonna try one more here. All right, let's see. I went over that Swiss franc JPY. Same thing. Look at there. It's bouncing off. This is what I mean. See, it's bouncing off that span, that bottom span of that cloud. It's bounced right back. Now it's within the cloud, so it can move around. It's just like a storm cloud. It can move around that storm cloud or break through that storm cloud. You got your conversion line just touching the top of that cloud. So these are the times you have to be very careful. Yes, your lagging span has crossed the baseline. That's a good sign. But still, this is the time if you're going to trade the Swiss franc JPY, you want to wait for a little bit more confirmation. Let's try the ZAR JPY. Same thing. Look there. The lagging span has crossed, but it's not within that cloud. Conversion line, baseline, way above the cloud. And it has been rejected at the bottom of that cloud. And we just hit the 5 o'clock, so the 5 p.m. day change for the trading day. So this is a fresh trading day that this has begun. So just be careful with the JPY pairs because they can reverse quite quickly at any time. Or they can continue this downward trend that they've had been going, that's been continuing for this past week. So just be careful with your JPY pairs. Those are some trades to consider, some trades to maybe avoid and wait for some more confirmation. But it is within the middle of the week. So I have further analysis at the end of the week, or maybe sooner. Things change, but right now, if you're in the JPY pairs, any of the pairs, just trade carefully. But this CAD JPY looks good. Looks really good. So, all right, I just wanted to update you quickly. Hopefully, you're having a profitable week. Just be careful out there and always use protection because you don't know what's out there in the market. You don't know what it holds. You never know what the future holds. Always use protection. Always use your proper risk management. Keep those stops tight, and you'll be fine. All right, see you next time. Good luck.